Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your saved screenshots and your video clips on your Nintendo Switch. So you can see all the video clips under here. We can go back to the home screen and then we can go to System Settings, select this, scroll on down, and we're going to go to Data Management, go to the right, and then go to Manage Screenshots and Videos. So we have the option to change the save location from system memory over to a microSD card. At any point in time right here, we can copy / delete the screenshots, system memory, microSD card. So if we select this, we can copy all the screenshots and video clips to a certain saved location, or we can delete all the screenshots off that certain location. Same thing with your SD card. You go ahead and choose that, and then you can manage. This is just going to bring you back to the album. But we can also copy all that information over to a computer via a USB connection. So I believe it's just a USB-C connection. Plug that into your computer, come in this section, and then go to this, and it should say connect your Nintendo Switch to a computer using a USB cable. Okay, so it's that easy. So you can get all the screenshots off your Nintendo Switch by going to that section. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.